This mini game is a 10-second countdown explosion game. It's kind of inspired by I Expect You to Die, so we tried to kind of capture the essence of that. If you've played it, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But the point of the game is to collect a coin that appears before getting hit by this laser. If you get hit by the laser, you're dead. If you don't and you get the coin, you've lived. There's a 10-second timer here. Whether you hit the laser or the time runs out, there's going to be an explosion. All right, let's see it in action. So the timer has started, the laser's going. We lived, nice. Got the coin in time in order to quote unquote pay off our ransom, and we got hit by the laser. So right now, the reason that you saw a little bit of a delay with the coin is because this is actually already being pulled in through the Echo 3D cloud. So over here, after we've imported the Echo 3D SDK, we've attached it to the parent object and we've turned off the mesh renderer. Otherwise, it was just a space holder sphere, as you can see right over here. So we turned that off and we've added the entry ID, which I'll show you where it is. That's going to be this number right over here. And your API key is the one that's right here at the top. So we just fill in those two fields right over here for each of the assets. I'm going to go ahead and do that with all of them. I will be right back. As you can see, there is nothing left in the scene, but we have all of our objects. So if we look at the post, you'll see the Echo 3D script is on here along with the API key and its entry ID. You'll also notice that there is a custom behavior script attached to this object as well. What the custom behavior script does is it allows you to make modifications to the Echo 3D SDK. So for example, what we're doing specifically is we are commenting out line 27 because this turns off remote transformations. Remote transformations essentially inherits whatever metadata you put into your Echo 3D console for each object. So any of this that you add, whether you want to change the X value or Y, X angle, here's a list of all the different types of metadata that you can have in addition to your own. So in this case, we're turning off remote transformations so that information is not inherited into our project. We also did the same thing for the laser. This has custom behavior on it as well, for player and coin. And for all of these, we did turn off the mesh renderer so that we didn't have duplicates in the scene. What's great about this is you can change your assets out through the Echo 3D cloud super easy. So let's say you have this project deployed to multiple platforms. You don't have to rebuild for each one. What you can do is just simply swap out the entry ID, change the art. You could add metadata and uncomment out that line in custom behavior. There's really so much you can do all through the Echo 3D console.